Today, we're going to be fixing this issue. No bueno. So whenever I drive this thing, the exhaust runs right by the starter, and after you drive it for a little while and try to start up right after you drive it, the stupid starter gets all heat soaked, so it acts like it's got a dead battery because it's trying to pull all that juice from being so hot. If you look under here, I actually have a, look right through here, I have a heat blanket on it, but that didn't do anything, so we're going to get a Master Torque starter from Summit Racing, and hopefully that'll fix it. Hopefully that one is stock, but we're going to hop in that 150 and head on down to Summit Racing. Okay, you're going to sting a ring. I just washed this piece of. Anyways, let's roll.
He forgot me. Get me out of this place before I buy anything else. Racing for pinks. We don't have to trip over this anymore. There's no barrier between here.
As you see, we got the Power Master starter from Summit Racing. They had it in a stock, so I went ahead and picked it up to help from the heat soaking of it. Focus. I'm watching you. It's pretty. Over here. This thing's pretty too, ish. So we got the starter we're going to put on here, help the heat soaking issue, to help it starting after you're running it for a little bit. Also got some heat wrap to wrap it next to the exhaust so it's not getting so hot still. Also grab stuff for an oil change. Attention. Also got stuff for an oil change because I can't tell you last time I did an oil change on this stinking thing. I run it quite a bit. Like, probably time. But one more special treat for you. I got my old 2-inch spacer still. I'm going to throw these suckers on here too. We're going to make her extra thick. The 37 1350s, we're going to make them stick out a little bit. So get the starter on, the heat wrap, do the oil change, and throw some thickness on there. So let's get to it. She pretty. Got a nice crinkle finish on there. I think sweet. Woo, she nice and crusty. Let's get that whole thing out of there. One day I dream that I can work onto this truck without stuff falling in my eyes. So what this requires is a jumper going from this bolt to that right here. And they didn't include one, so we gotta stick and make this wire go from there to there. And since we don't have the right connector, you see him trying to drill with his fingers and make the right connector. So
It'll work.
So as you see, we had got auto zoned one so Dad wouldn't ruin his finger drilling out that thing connector.
It's fine. I didn't hurt anything.
And two, I think you can read that here on the heat wrap, but it says do not forget the tie strap. What did I forget? The tie strap. So I was able to pick that up because it's not going to be held on by hopes and dreams. So, well, as you can see, the heat wrap is on there, and we just put this new fitting on the end of the wire that goes to the starter coming from the solenoid. So now it's time for a starter. press them on, maybe I drive it to work and see if it'll start up after I get there. Make sure it doesn't get too hot, it'll start back up, so. Start right up, let's get some spacers on it. Drive lifted trucks with big tires. This part sucks. That looks sick. Oil change done. Starter on. Don't trip over that. Okay, anyways. Spacers also on. She is looking super thick. And let's get to some daytime pics. Oh man, as you can see, it's a little wet out here. Hope Dad don't shoot me from the yard. Well guys, that concludes everything for today's video I wanted to do. Got everything buttoned up on there for the show coming up on the 30th. I do love Joys. If you guys see us there, be sure to shout us out on Instagram. But if you guys want to see some more Bronco content, be working on Bailey's here in a few. Got some more goodies putting on it for the show as well. Be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.